Hey everybody, it's Martin and Isabella here, editorial team from Essentials News. Should I say Essentials Newsletters? We do bring you news as well. We've got 32 different topics that we deliver every single week, and we work with a huge bunch of experts in specific industries to bring you insights from trusted sources, because really there's a lot of nonsense out there. And we pride ourselves on bringing you stuff that you can take into your business, that you can base decisions on, and that you can actually learn from. So
Yeah,
today is Future of Money, and we all love money.
we do.
Yeah. So how do we get some more?
Okay, so this week we're bringing you two of our favorite articles on the future of money. What does it hold? So the first one is super interesting. There's this financial startup called Workplace Unite, which is essentially offering $500 to anyone who's willing to hand over their payroll account username and password, which the employer gives them.
So
And then they give them.
say that again, which username and password?
So your payroll account username and
Oh,
password,
right. Okay.
yeah. And they get a payment per month as long as the credentials still work. So like, why are they doing this, right? Why would they pay you?
Bizarre.
They want to use the data to further improve their service, which aims to like manage workers' income and control their use of data. So it has a good end, let's say, but it's still very questionable. I don't even know if a company would allow this
Okay.
because it's kind of a breach of data.
Right. I guess
Um,
it depends certainly a lot on local regulation, right? Like in countries like Sweden and in the Nordics, people's salaries are publicly known. So
yes.
in other countries, it's an absolute no-no culturally. So be interesting to see. I mean, I presume they're not just going out and publishing this information. It's about aggregating it and looking at trends and stuff like that, I presume.
No, but it's still having access to their
All
payroll
right.
account. So it's sensitive data, but they're getting paid. Look, it's a little bit of a controversial topic, but I think they just want to study the data. So let's see what happens there.
Mhm.
And we have a second article. It's from Bitcoin Magazine. And this is also, we've heard so much about Bitcoin, its energy usage, what does the future
Right.
hold? And this brings a new point, which is if Bitcoin is actually approved by the government, it
Mhm.
could allow them to seize it much like they did gold, or during a market crash, right, in the Great Depression.
Right.
And the reason this topic is being surfaced right now is we're experiencing some similar things to a market crash. We have massive debt. We have an economic crisis brought on from the pandemic. So we have this storm where if Bitcoin became approved, it could also be seized. So what is the benefit? Is it maybe better to be unregulated? So it's really interesting.
Ah, good luck trying to regulate that mess to any government. So I guess it's about, because I mean at its core, Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency is not a fiat current. It's not a fiat currency.
Yeah,
It's not an approved currency. So okay, I mean, I'd be interested to look into that. So readers, tell us what you think. We'd love to know where we should go and what the blog.
perfect.